Yesterday evening, the Baku Jazz Center hosted an event dedicated to the second anniversary of the Human Rights Club and to presentation of a new human rights advocacy campaign, Art for Democracy. The event was held with the support from the British Embassy and the Civic Solidarity Organization. Representatives of civil society, youth activists, artists, journalists and lawyers, as well as Western diplomats were in attendance. The British ambassador to Baku, Peter Bateman, welcomed the people, stating that human rights are central to the foreign policy of his country. He also announced that British government has initiated an international campaign to combat violence against women. With the British embassy's support, a video was shot with statements by the Azerbaijani public on the problem of domestic violence. Art for Democracy coordinator Rasul Jafarov said the Human Rights Club, the Institute for Reporters' Freedom and Safety, and the Center for National and International Studies initiated the campaign in order to promote ideas of democracy and human rights through the art. The advisor to the U.S. Secretary of State for Democracy, Human Rights and Labor, Thomas Mealia, also was among the guests. He said he was happy to pass the welcome from President Barack Obama and Secretary of State Hillary Clinton to Azerbaijani Democrats. Support for democracy remains one of the top priorities of U.S. foreign policy, he said. French Ambassador Pascal Monnier welcomed the launch of the Art for Democracy. He said that Sing for Democracy campaign, which was successfully held during the Eurovision Song Contest, showed that to achieve success in the international arena, it is also necessary to listen to the views of ordinary people. IRFS Chairman Emin Hüseynov congratulated the guests on the Human Rights Day and thanked the representatives of arts who really love Azerbaijan for participating in the event. Art for Democracy PR manager Rebecca Vincent invited the participants to watch a short film based on real stories and raising awareness about democracy. Following the welcome speeches, the event continued with stage performances by young artists and a show of cartoon drawings on the theme of human rights.